Hi everyone. I want to talk about one of the favorite tools I like in Photoshop today. You've heard me in the past talk about a marquee tool, and that's the little broken line that you can create in various ways. In this case, I use a square marquee tool, and it isolates off everything that any painting I do is only within that isolated section. So even though I move out here, I can paint, nothing happens, except that it goes inside the square, and that's where you see the painting starts. So that's quite useful if you want to stay within a given area. But there's another tool that basically locks artwork or your image and allows you to stay within the confines of that image that you're working with. I'm going to utilize a drawing I did on Photoshop. This is a caricature of myself. This is it. I go to the image that I'm working with right here, and I'm going to color this line. But the way to color only the line and nothing outside of the line is this lock tool right here. So I click on it, and you see this lock comes into place on that layer. So with that, I can come in here and color the line, and only that line is being colored. So it makes for a very good methodology, color or confine a color to a given line. That's an excellent tool that someone thought of to put in this system. So I've just changed to line color. Now, of course, I can use different colors in different areas if I want. Let's say I want this shirt to be green. So I have to be careful here. It's coming real tight. Because that line can actually cross over into there. But I want to confine it here. And then everything else, I can give the color that I want. So I'm giving myself a green line. And when you're doing animated characters or caricatures such as what I have here, it makes for a nice way of constraining the area. I can just glide through it and make the line color as I need for it to be. I'll come in tight here and be selective about where I want that to be. And let's say I want it, my glasses, to be a different color. This way I have some red glasses. I'll be a little more careful here. And I'll be careful there. All constrained because of that lock tool. I'll be careful there. I'll be more careful here. I'll take care in this section. The nose would be the face color. And of course I'll be careful at my eyebrows. So my only care is where I intersection with other, where I want the colors to be different in some areas. There's my red glasses. This is me. So my eyebrows would normally be black. It would be black here. And my hair would be black. This would be my hair. Those are my sideburns. And my mustache. So there I have off my specific isolated areas. Now I'm going to isolate every section of the brown line because I want to make a slight adjustment in the color of that line. And I'll use hue saturation, color shifting tool to do that. And I'm done with that. And here's all of the lines colored as I desire. Next time, I'll color in my character. See how you would color in an animated or cartoon character. Nice and simple. If you've not used this tool in Photoshop, give it a try. And I'll see you the next time.